This is Mark with your Advanced Assembly Technology Minute.
My name is Sebastian Weber. I'm a process engineer for Advanced Assembly. I kind of handle a lot of the production side stuff, so any sort of technical questions that come up, or if a customer has some sort of special design requirements, I'll review those to see whether or not we can meet those specifications. I'll also give out feedback for if I see how to improve a design to help improve manufacturability, or just improvements in general to help their assembly work for whatever they're trying to do. I think a lot of the errors that cause assembly issues stem from trying to make shortcuts on the fab side. For example, like not capping vias, definitely one of the biggest showstoppers for a job. If you have a design that has vias and you choose not to cap those, that's going to increase your assembly cost and decrease the reliability of that assembly tenfold. In some cases, it can actually make an entire design completely unmanufacturable.
If you liked this video, let us know by clicking the like button at the bottom of the screen. But don't stop watching now. We have other educational and informative videos on this channel. To learn more about what Advanced Assembly offers and how we can help you, please visit aapcb.com.